Just gonna say, that is this turning into WrestleMania?
Oh, it's always the Queen City versus the River City. But Ben, how about that time lapse? That's the fastest the Bells ever moved in 110 years.
I'd love to see the hour-and-a-half race happen in like 15 seconds.
Because
nice.
it's a long race.
It is, and the weather turned out fantastic out there. High of 66 today, and we've got some warmer conditions. Let's take a look at the last three big events of our Derby week. For Thurby tomorrow, just about perfection. A high of 72 degrees. Chamber of Commerce weather. Temperatures will be chilly if you're out early in the morning, though, in the 40s and 50s. So a pretty good warm up after that chilly start tomorrow morning. We do have a chance for a few light rain showers. That's going to be late in the day Friday. So most of our Oaks is looking dry with a high temperature up to around 70 degrees. And then we could still have a few lingering showers in the morning time Saturday. But for Derby Day afternoon, it's looking dry with high temperatures topping out at around 73 degrees. So looking good for the run for the roses as well. 66 that high today, almost 10 below our average of 75. 93 the record low 34. So we can have a variety of weather this time of the year. And thankfully, it's turning out pretty good for the rest of this Derby week. 50 and 55 at the airports right now, and just a very light breeze out there. Thankfully, the next several days, the atmosphere is settling down after some gusty conditions the last several days. So much calmer conditions on the way. And it is chilling down out there. 42 in Brandenburg right now. Carrollton also sharing 42 degrees. So a mix of 40s and lower 50s in most locations right now. And a clear sky overhead. So it is going to be cool and quiet for tonight. So let's look ahead all the way through Derby Day here hour by hour. Futurecast showing that clear sky and the cool conditions as we get started tomorrow morning at around 7 to 8 o'clock. Tomorrow afternoon, lower 70s on the way and plenty of sunshine as well. Don't forget the sunscreen if you're going to be heading out to the track tomorrow. Thankfully, as clouds increase, won't need as much as that sunscreen for Oaks on Friday. Notice the rain holding off to the southwest as we head into the afternoon on Friday. And temperatures will be on the mild side in the upper 60s to around 70 degrees. Now watch as we head into the late afternoon hours. This is around 5 to 6 o'clock in the afternoon for Oaks. So right around the time of the Oaks race, we could bring in some sprinkles and some light rainfall. It looks like the steadier rain, at least at this point in time, is staying off to our south. So all in all, not too bad throughout our Oaks on Friday. Still might want the poncho just in case. Now into Saturday morning for Derby Day, we do have a chance for some lingering showers with that same system overhead. Heaviest rain looks like it'll hold off to the south. Notice this begins to dissipate as we head into the afternoon on Saturday with our temperatures once again topping out in the lower 70s. So our hometown temps for tonight dropping down to the upper 30s to the lower 40s. Once again needing that furnace kicking on, and then tomorrow lower 70s. You probably won't need the jacket, of course, by later in the afternoon. So that 40% chance of a light rain shower late in the day Friday into the evening time after a high of 70. For the Kentucky Derby on Saturday, high temperature 73 degrees. And as we go into next week, looking a lot more like the month of May as we head into the 80s and with a more active spring-like pattern. Can't rule out an occasional pop-up shower or thunderstorm.